Hi, myself Sonia. This is my final year MCA project. My project name is Privacy and Securities of Consumer in Cloud-Based Healthcare System using a security analysis dual policy attribute-based encryption. Let's move on to abstract. Healthcare Internet of Things is an emerging paradigm that enables the embedded devices to monitor the patient vital signals and allows these data to be aggregated and outsourced to the cloud. The cloud enables the authorized users to store and share the data on demand services. Proposed methodology of healthcare IoT system of using the advantages attribute based encryptions, cloud and edge computing, which provides an efficient, flexible and secure fine-grained access control mechanism. Introduction. This is an attribute-based authenticated data sharing protocols to provide a secure data sharing among geographically dispersed physical devices and clients. The proposed protocol is demonstrated to resist chosen ciphertext attack. CCA is an indispensable tool for protecting the information in computer system under the hardness assumption of decisional strong Diffie-Hellman problem. It evaluates the performance of proposed protocol with existing data sharing protocols in terms of computational overhead, communication overhead and response time. Literacy Survey title: A review on the state of art privacy preserving approaches in the e-health clouds. Algorithm cryptographic remarks: the cryptographic algorithm mitigate the privacy risk, utilize the certain encryption scheme and cryptographic primitives. Title: Server aided revocable identify based encryption from lattices SRIBE. In this system model, almost all the workloads on users are delegated to an untrusted server and users can compute the decryption key at any time period without having to communicate with either key generation center or the server. IoT based smart healthcare kit. Intel Galileo generation efficient medical services to patient by connecting the data's information through health status monitors include patient heart rate, blood pressure, send an emergency alert to patients, doctor with his current status and full medical information. Server aided revocable attribute based encryption key exposure. They uses the attribute based encryption algorithm that remarks security model and enhance it by capturing the DKE attacks on users local decryption key and allowing the adversary to fully corrupt the server simultaneously. Title: A survey on cryptographic algorithms for IoT devices. They use cryptographic algorithm. Remarks: cryptographic algorithm specifically mean for extremely constrained resources. Existing system. Mobile cloud has also been studied in a healthcare and solutions proposed includes those based on attribute based encryptions scheme despite the popularities of cloud computing and its variant. For example, mobile cloud and cyber physical cloud systems. Security issues, that is privacy and reliability in untrusted cloud environments and physical devices remain major concerns. Attribute based encryption scheme is a potential cryptographic solution that can be used to facilitate secure data sharing. Architecture diagram. Existing architecture diagram. KGC send a broadcast public parameters to data owners and data users. KGC issue a secure secret key to end devices. Data owners embedded devices or monitor the patient data and these data are collected by gateways. Data users end devices analyze and display the data to medical staff. Proposed system. The proposed protocol is designed to achieve the authentication between a physical devices and the cloud controller and provide a secure end-to-end secure communications in the cloud using ABE scheme. Specifically, our proposed protocol provide mutual authentication and essential features such as client registration, login, mutual authentication, password renewal. The proposed protocol also ensures users anonymity. We also demonstrate its resilience against known security attacks. For example, insider attack, impersonation attack, session key computation attack and its correctness using Avispa simulation tool. System architecture diagram. KGC send a system parameter broadcasting to data owner, data users and edge server. Data user uploading the public key to KGC. KGC send a transformation key issued to edge server. Data owner uploading the ciphertext to cloud. Cloud fetch the ciphertext to edge server. Edge server act as a micro data center. It delivers the computing power from an edge cloud. Cloud fetch the ciphertext to edge server. Edge server and send a partially decrypted ciphertext to data user. Merits. It only requires the constant size physical parameters as well as all operations and elements are in the prime order groups. In comparison, the previous dual policy attribute based encryption scheme are less efficient, which requires either linear size public parameters or composite order group. Furthermore, the decryption cost in a scheme is constant since expensive decryption tasks are processed by the edge server rather than data users themselves. Problem definition. ABE, it is significant decryption overhead. ABE cannot directly apply to healthcare IoT network since lightweight devices in the IoT ecosystem have many constraints such as computational resources, battery lifetime and bandwidth cost. Directly operating attribute-based decryption on these devices is as challenging because of their limited computational resources and battery power. Modules. They uses in three modules: system initiation, file encryption and sharing, file decryption and accessing. Module decryption. The proposed protocol contains three different phases, namely system initiation, file encryption and sharing. That is the process to create, encrypt and share data into the cloud, and file accessing and decryption. File initiation. Before sharing any file in the cloud, the PKG need to run IBE setup algorithm for some security parameters K in order to produce params, and MSK where MSK is kept private and params marked as public. File encryption and sharing. Suppose the data owner wants to share a message or file, that is the M among group of users and some individual users. To perform this activity, the new data owner first register his details to the PKG using the mobile devices. Therefore, the data owner need to log in with the appropriate cloud credentials to the CC. Third, file accessing and decryption. Once the keyword has been received by the DC, perform the several tasks as follows. Log in with the password through the mobile app in order to access the facilities. Upon successful login, the data controller makes queries by giving the keywords as the input. Based on the queries, the cloud credentials will search for the file whose keywords match those often queries. If such file exists in the cloud storage, then the CC determines whether the data owner is an authorized user to the receiver that file by searching the list logical unit. Algorithm. Identified based authenticated data sharing protocol. We construct an identified based authentic data sharing protocol provide a secure data in a cyber physical cloud environment. For the rest of the paper, mobile devices are considered as the client devices, as such devices generally have more computational and storage capabilities compared to other network devices. Proposed authenticated technique. This session proposes an authenticated technique to determine whether the cloud users are legitimate. It executes the following phases: system setup, client registration, login and mutual authentication, and password renewal. Data flow diagram. Data owner and data user register and log in the data successfully, that is the account is activation. In level 1, KGC provide user public key, edge server public key and owner public key. Level 2, data owner upload file. Edge server get a transformation key. Data user get a transformation key. Uploaded file and transformation keys or get data from cloud. Use case diagram. Data user upload a public key, get the transformation key, and then view edge server data and then display the data. Data owner will encrypt the data and then upload to cloud. Sequence diagram. Data user register and login to server. Data owner register and login to server. Edge server get the ciphertext to server. KGC provide user public key, and then KGC provide a transformation key, and KGC provide a user public. Data owner upload data to server. The edge server provide a transformation key to data user. KGC provide user public key to the data user, and then data user view the data. KGC provide a public key to data owners and data user. Edge server upload the encrypt data and send to data user. Snapshots. Homepage. In this data owner login, we should enter the username and password correctly and press the login. User registration form. Then the next screen is about we need to enter the name, mobile number, email ID, date and register. Then the entered data get registered successfully. Generate public key. In this it will generate a owner public key, that is for registration data. Public key sent to mail. Then the public key is sent to the mail ID. Upload public key. In this we need to upload the key we got in our mail ID. Upload file. Next we need to upload the file by ID, keywords to choose the file to upload, and finally want to press this submit. File uploaded successfully. Next the file got uploaded successfully. Data user register. In this we register for data user. Data users registered successfully. Then the data user got registered. KGC. Public key is sent to mail. Upload KGC. Then the public key we got in our mail ID want to be uploaded. View file. View file is mainly used for viewing purpose. Just enter file ID, keyword, content and press decrypt. Decrypt view files. Next it will generate a server public key. Generate edge server key. Next it generate an edge server public key which we got and press a submit button. Upload public key. Then upload public key which we got and press submit. View data user request. In this we can view the data user request. View files. In this file we can view by giving his ID and key content and then press download. Next downloaded files. Downloaded files, it provides files and which we had to enter the details. Conclusion. We investigate the problem of IoT networks in the healthcare application scenario and produce the system to realize the secure IoT communications with source limited devices and fine-grained access control. The treat model and security definitions were presented for the proposed system. We also provided the proof of our proposed scheme and presented experimental analysis to demonstrate our proposed constructions has significantly better performance than previous solution. The core technique to build a secure healthcare IoT system is DPABE, which is a promising tool to provide a lightweight and expressive fine-grained access control protocol. Future enhancement. In the future, investigating more scenarios based on SADPABE and discover more applications cloud could be interesting in future works. Thank you.